It's Alex at Motrac Motorcycles. Today, I will be explaining exactly how to receive and unpackage your Motrac motorcycle. We recommend to have a helping hand during this process. First, we want to inspect the motorcycle for any damages from shipping. Next, locate all 3 straps securing the motorcycle to the shipping pallet. And third, to ensure the motorcycle will not fall over during the unstrapping of the bike, let's lower the kickstand. Let's begin with the removal of the front securing straps. Remove the right securing strap by pulling in the inner rubber strap lock to release the lock and open the strap lock fully until lock clicks. Pull the strap out. We will do the same procedure for the other side. Now that your bike is released on the front end, we will unstrap the rear end. Press in the rear strap lock to release the strap and pull the strap out. Now you are ready to release the motorcycle from the front wheel chock. Raise the kickstand. If you have someone helping, have them hold the shipping pallet while you pull the motorcycle back and out of the wheel chock. And that's all there is to receiving and unstrapping your Motrac motorcycle.